Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and the next video is on how to download the Creo Parametric for free, which is the student version of Creo. So let's get started. Click on your Chrome browser, click on search bar and put over there download PTC Creo student and search this. Next click on this first link, free software Creo for students. Okay, actually the procedure is, first of all we have to create a account in a Creo Parametric website. After creating this account you have to log in, and after login you get one PDF. In that two links are mentioned. Okay, one which is of the download. So first of all I will show you how you can create your account. So once you click on this link, click on fill this information, basic informations, your first name, last name, email ID, country, and what the base describes you. Click on this and click on the student. Next put your mobile number over here and click on submit. Okay, and next okay, click on this install Creo 6.0 now you have to download this PDF, and after downloading just open this PDF, and here you can see there are two links. First link, download the PTC Creo 6.0 DVD image. This is for download, but before click on this link which is in brown color, you could see one link over there, create an account at this link which is in blue color, which is the second link. Okay, so first of all you have to create your Creo Parametric account. So click on the second link, create an account at. Okay, just copy this link and open it in your Chrome. Take this new tab and search over here like this. Okay, now from here you can create your PTC Creo account for student. Put your first name, last name, email, confirm email. Okay, in a parents email ID you can put your own also, academic program. Click on this, click on others and click on the title. You can select as a student, as a professor, as a teacher. Next put your college name. Next state and prevalence, click on this and find for IN. Click on this IN and next click on country region. Scroll down side and click on India. Next you have to create new password over here, so put in the password and confirm that password. Put password 2 times here, and the last is PTC security challenge. In this you have to put, here you can see, please enter the underline number only in order. Okay, you have to put these underline words in order, only underline words and in order. Okay, next once you fill this information, so after this you have created your account in PTC Creo. Okay, you have to keep in mind always your email ID, and because this will be your user ID for Creo as your email ID and the password. Okay, so next procedure is, click on this new tab and now you have created your account. Now next procedure is to log in it. Okay, so click on search bar and login Creo Parametric student. Okay, so here is the ptc.com and login. Click on this link. Okay, actually I have already logged in here, so here is directly website. Click on this three three lines. Here you can see my name is showing here. It means I have login to my account by putting your user ID as email and your password. Now the second process is done. First of all, we create account, next we log in that account, and the last process is open the PDF which has been downloaded from your mobile. So just click on this first link which is in brown or red color, okay. Click on this and choose Chrome as a browser. This is the last procedure, okay. Here you can go, friends. Here is Creo 6.0 Windows 64 download. You can download from here, okay, like this, which is the 3.9 GB. Here is Creo 5.0 also, Windows for Windows 64 3.9, Creo 4.0 4.1, Creo 3.0 3.5, okay, like this. You can download which software you want from here. This is all about how you can download the free student version or the free. And thank you very much, friend, for watching this video. If you really like this, so share it to your friends also, so that they can also download this software and learn skills about mechanical engineering, okay. So thank you very much.